here is the second box I got. I believe it is my Cyber Monday order. So in theory, this should be a bunch of the Thieves cleaning products. I'm very excited about that. Let's see, packing slip says, yes, it is all the Thieves. So here is the dishwasher powder. I have recipes for making this last even longer than just this. Let's see. This is the foaming hand soap. Excited about that. I didn't have the proper nozzle for the one I have, so this is the foaming. Let's see, this is dish soap. Oh, I'm out of this. Perfect timing. I also have recipes for making this stretch longer. So, and this is the foaming hand soap refill. You can get 4 of these little bottles out of this. And this is the household cleaner. I have many videos, or a video of the uses for this stuff. So if you're curious, contact me and we can talk about the Thieves cleaning. Oh, there's one more box. Let's see. Oh, this is the laundry soap. Here we go. There we go. And this stuff is all super concentrated, so there are recipes for diluting it and making it last longer, much longer than it looks. All right, thanks for joining me on my box opening. See you guys later.